Hi, my name is Lanxiang Wang. This is my Android ID. For the first assignment, we are asked to design a website in which user can chat with each other and receive the message from other users immediately after they send their messages. Also, the server needs to save the user information and chatting history. Now let's do the demo. Firstly, let's restart the MongoDB and Node server. Let's access localhost 3000. The root page is login page. Suppose this is the first time I visit this website. The first thing I need to is to sign up a new account. Firstly, let's do some error checking. For example, I don't input valid email address. I just say, for example, 123. And the minimum length of the password is set to 6 digits. For example, if I just input 123, and here I don't input the same password, I input 1234. In this case, if I click sign up, the error message will pop up. You can see here it says this is not a valid email address, and the minimum length of password should be 6, and both passwords should be consistent. Now let's input some acceptable information. Let's use user 111 as displayed name. Okay, after I successfully signs up, the server redirect us to the main chatting page. In this page, you can see the recent message is the system greeting message. And also you can see all of the previous message. Here, the number of the people online right now is 1 because here is only myself. And now let's sign up another account. We use user222 as a display name. After user222 successfully logs in, user222 can also receive this greeting message, and he can also see all of the previous chatting history. And now the number of the people online becomes 2 after user222 logs in. Now, if user111 say hi to user222, this message will be shown to user222 immediately. And now, if user222 logs out, the server will redirect us to the login page, and user111 will see user222 has left, and the total number of people online reduced by 1. Now, if user222 logs in again, user222 can see the previous message user111 said to user222. Okay, this is the demo. Now let's talk about techniques stuff behind the scenes. I use Express as the web framework in Node.js and use MongoDB as the database. and I use Mongoose to connect MongoDB. For the backend modules, I use Socket.io to transfer data from server to clients and also from clients to server. I use HBase as view engine. I use BuddyParser to parse JSON file from request to JavaScript object. And I use Moment to format the displayed time. I use Validator to validate information in the documents in the database. And I use bcrypt.js to hash and sort users' password. In the front end, on top of Socket.io, I use jQuery to manipulate HTML elements and use Mustache as a view template. Use dprem to retrieve information from URL. Finally, for the file structure. As you can see, basically I divide my code into two parts, the server part and the public part. So basically, server part handles all of stuff of backend, and the public folder hands out all of the stuff from front end. So in the server folder, it looks like the MVC style. In the DB folder, I put the configuration of the database. And models contains both user and messages database configuration. And in the utilities files, I put some helper functions, and the views folder contains all of the templates. All of the route handlers are in server.js file. In the public folder, the main chat room page is in the public folder, and apart from this, there are the static resources like CSS file and image file. Okay, that's it. Thank you.